Today on Documentify TV, we are exploring the Blythe Intaglios located in Blythe, California. Have you ever heard of the Blythe Intaglios, the massive geoglyphs in America? The Blythe Intaglios are enormous geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, depicting human and animal figures. These intaglios are scattered across the American Southwest and beyond, with over 300 in the region. The geoglyphs are believed to be the work of the Mojave and Quechan Indians. These figures date back between 450 and 2,000 years. They represent Mastamho, the creator of life, and are crafted by scraping away the dark desert rock to reveal the lighter soil beneath. The largest human figure stretches 167 feet long, yet they are nearly invisible from the ground. It wasn't until 1932 that a pilot rediscovered them from the air, raising questions about their original purpose and how their creators viewed them. There are several theories about the purpose of the Blythe Intaglios. Some historians believe that the figures were made by the Mojave and Quechan Indians somewhere between 450 and 2,000 years ago and represent Mastamho, the creator of life. Others believe the figures represent powerful individuals in an Indian clan. There's also a theory that the figures depict humans interacting with their natural surroundings. Some theories suggest that they represent mythical figures or were ceremonial sites. However, the exact significance and what the figures represent aren't exactly known. The ground drawings or geoglyphs were created by humans for an as-yet unknown reason. That being said, there are also several conspiracy theories and hypotheses about the Blythe Intaglios. One theory suggests that the carvings were drawn so that aliens could see them overhead. Another theory posits that the geoglyphs were made with the intention that the gods would see them and come to the aid of humans. Some believe they could be depictions of myths or symbols to ward off danger and evil. Some researchers hypothesize that the intaglios are stopping points on a Karuk pilgrimage or simply the practice of the Karuk ceremony at various places. The Karuk was a mourning ceremony that was practiced by various Native Americans in Southern California. Most agree that they are the work of Native Americans who settled along the Colorado River. But attempts to identify the specific tribes responsible have been unsuccessful. The research is ongoing, and hopefully future studies will shed more light on these fascinating geoglyphs. What are your thoughts? Start the discussion in the comments. As always, we read and respond to all our viewers' comments. We believe in a strong discussion. Like all of you, we know that the truth is out there. It only needs to be found. Until next time, folks, see you in the next video, right here on Documentify TV.